If you aren't journaling your trades, what are you even doing with your life? How are you supposed to be able to see the patterns in your trading if you aren't even tracking them? What are you doing? So, here's a little insight in what tracking your trades could do for you. So, I have a fellow who had thanked me for just holding him accountable. That's all I did. And he ended up pulling almost 2% more today than without it. So, who am I? I'm Robert. I'm just a part time day trader with a full time job, a family, and other commitments. I'm sharing everything that I learned along my journey. Everything is about strategies, trade management, discipline, trading psychology. I have a Telegram channel where I share all my trades and analysis. And I also have a Discord channel where I like to connect with one-on-one with other fellow traders. And they just want to be held accountable. And they're looking for a community that is starting out, learning, and they're there to encourage each other. So, if you could, drop a comment below. What's one of the things that you are struggling with in your trading journey? Perhaps I can make a video on that. Don't know. But if you'd like to know more, come join us on Discord. Subscribe here if you want to follow some of the other stuff that I post. And just, click that like button so it can help other new traders get some value. I am not here to sell a course or to charge for my time. I just want to help all those who have spent time investing in trading get the best out of it.